guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator, and today I'll be bringing you an unboxing of the Boya dual channel wireless microphone system. This is the BY-XM6-S1 model, which has an operating range of up to 100 meters. It has 7 hours of runtime on a full battery, an OLED display, real-time audio monitoring via a headphone jack, and Type-C charging port. In the box we get a manual which has all the directions on how to set up your device. And they also include some free stickers. Included is a tiny dead cat to block out all those environmental sounds. There's also a lav clip included, a lav mic which connects to the transmitter, cables for your smartphone as well as your camera, and 2 Type-C charging cables. And here we have the transmitter and receiver, both identical in shape and size. They're quite small units as well. Both are lightweight, and both have sturdy clips at the back, so they can easily clip onto your clothing, as well as the hot shoe mount of your camera. 3 buttons on each unit, one for power up and increase and decrease in volume. Starts up almost instantly. The receiver unit does have a headphone monitoring input at the top, so you can monitor your sound. Transmitter unit almost identical to the receiver unit, except it has a place to mount a dead cat. Now this is basically when you're shooting outside or outdoor in a noisy environment, then you just clip that on. And there you go, quite a small unit. You can also plug in a lav mic, so should you want to be more discreet, you can just clip in your lav mic, and basically it comes with quite a bit of a cable, so you can just tuck it underneath your clothing. And that brings about an end to this unboxing. I will be testing this unit out in the next few days. So if you want to see how this performs, please hit that subscribe button. And until next time, keep creating and see you soon.